70% of clients switch barbers after one bad blend. One slip up and they're in someone else's chair. Let's make sure that never happens. Section 1. The consultation. Your first job isn't to cut, it's to listen. Ask low, mid, or high taper, and watch where they point. That line is your blueprint. Then get forensic. Check the crown for swirls and the hairline for cowlicks. Tell them your plan based on their hair type. You have a tight curl pattern, so a low taper fade that drops behind the ear will look best. Section 2. Tools on the tray. Your tools are an extension of your skill. You need a cordless clipper for curly hair. Next, a set of magnetic guards from 0.5 to 2. You'll also need a zero-gapped detachable blade trimmer for razor sharp lines, a taper comb, a simple water spray bottle, and a boar bristle brush. An organized setup shows your client they're in the hands of a pro. Section 3, the foundation guideline. This is where the fade begins. With your one guard on, lever close, create your first guideline. Start a finger width above the ear and rock a smooth crescent shape around the head. Keep the scalp taut with your other hand. Check in the mirror immediately to ensure both sides are perfectly symmetrical. Section 4, the lever ballet. Now for the blending technique. Switch to your 1.5 guard with the lever open. Use a flicking motion to work your way up from your initial guideline. Section 5, the half guard magic. Time for the detailed work that separates the pros. Snap on the 0.5 guard, lever open. Use only the corner of your blade in this blending zone. Think of it like erasing a pencil line, using tiny, deliberate strokes. This precision is key for curly and coily textures, which can hide imperfections. Section 6, the reveal. You've done the work, now it's showtime. Brush any loose hairs away, hand your client the mirror, and let them admire the seamless blend and sharp lines. And if you want more haircut tutorials, smash that subscribe button.